Hi friends, my name is Harshan and I am going to say about how to maintain lovebirds. Yeah, today we're gonna to see about how to maintain lovebirds. I will say from step by step and you can understand from it. Thank you. See, these are lovebirds and my lovebird and this is Kiwi. He is very lazy and he is gonna to sleep. Timing for his is sleeping now at the morning. I mean, it's gonna to be evening. Yeah, these two are females, and um, how to say, we can identify he's a male or female in their nose only. If they have pink color nose, that means a violet, they are male, and a pure white, that means female. See, she is a female, and she is also female. Her name is Cutie. He is also going to see. And she is Jessica, and she is very bright now. He is sleeping like this. He will rotate, and sometimes he might fall down. Yeah, at my thing, in my we have to buy a cage like this, and two stands to stand, and lovebirds are mine. And in this box, food. In the pet shop, you can ask lovebirds food. And in this case, I have added some coriander juice and with water. Okay. At at bottom, see, see, this is a tray filled with sand here. Because it will dry the pea or pork. Okay. And for eating, see, you have to buy swing like this, and they will. You should not scold them or just always tease them. They will notice us. And you can also add strings or ropes like this because they are always likely to beat or bite. So, and at the next step, if you are having two females and you have to put two swings, and this is the string I have added on my own self. Okay, at the next you can put a mint leaf or coriander leaf at the bottom, like opening this cage from here and put coriander leaf here and just take it. So they will eat. They like coriander, mint with leaves and all. See, they like swing most at the night. At night, once my birds will sleep, they will go to the swing. Only these two females, this Cutie and this Jessica. And Kiwi, that means the male bird, will always sleep like this because he does not know to sleep. But he is very active at the morning, early morning, that to 5 o'clock to 12 o'clock, then always sleeping. And on the summer season, you can just bath them by showering. Just spray the water by sprayer, like shooting from here, sprayer, and the water have to fall down. Okay, they like to shower more easy. See, they are very beautiful, more than my hand. Okay, and you have to maintain them most beautifully. And then if you want to hatch a egg on their own and you want an egg then you have to add a pot. It's a sand pot, any material of pot or small pot. They have to enter to the pot. I didn't do it, so I will also do it. You can also enter. This is an advice. If you want to hatch eggs, you can add. And that's all. And for this cage is bred 15 inches and here 20 inches. Then this is suitable for two two pairs of lovebirds. You should not put small cage. Yeah, this is an cubical cage, so it is unsuitable. In rectangular cage, the width will come smaller, so you have to see for it. Yeah, thank you.